4. What is your favorite food at McDonald's?
Wow! Show me, baby, show me. Show me.
Bye, friends! Bye, friends! Thank you for joining us here today. Bye,
Dang, there's so many people.
Open the window.
We can treat me, Dad.
Here. What you can say?
Thank you.
Okay, you're a good girl now.